We're in Jumbo General. I'll show you what's in here. This is where we get all our snacks. It's like a Costco for snacks. They took it out? There's some at the top. Is this what my brother wants to buy? Hello everyone. We are going to Baler and look what my mom's wearing. Hello po.
Quiero Taco Bell.
Say hi, Dad.
Hello.
Where are we going today?
Going to Baler. Gusto ba ako tabihan?
Going to Baler.
Yeah, we're going to Baler. Yeah, smile.
Parang kay JC.
Hello! Kaganda. Hi everybody! Hello! Happy New Year!
Let me just do this. I'm okay. This is my Tito Etot.
Ganyan pa lang kay Buko.
Kaya sa likod, pinapitas ko to. Yun lang yung kinain yung buo parang ube. Ito yun.
Ang
Kaya
galing.
mas magulang yun.
Ang galing pa naman ng camera ni DJ.
Wow.
Michelle, ilang taon na po? 85, taga saan po? Talaberten. Ay, hindi, taga saan? Pampanga. May ketong, may kanin. Tama ba? Okay. Sir, pangalan po? Gigi po. Okay, ilang taon na po kayo? English po ba to? Aray ko. Okay, sir.
Nicolas.
On a night walk here in Baler, and it's kind of windy. Like, look what I'm wearing. But yeah. JP and I woke up at 6 a.m. JP and I are out here waiting for the sunrise.
gosh.
We're leaving Baler now.